welcome to Ready Recipes with Education Futures Trust. I'm Ray, the nutritionist at EFT, and today we are cooking some nice fajitas. You can cook these with chicken, chicken breast, chicken thighs, if you want a cheaper cut with a bit more texture, or beans. I'm going to do mine with beans today and some mushrooms. If you'd like to try not having so much meat, meatless Monday or anything like that, you could use quite a long portobello mushrooms, and that give you a bit of a meaty texture. And then the beans will give you some protein as well. Let's get cooking. So I've prepped all my vegetables. If you're having chicken, I would advise you prep that first, and you can always cut your vegetables while the meat's cooking, so that will take a little bit longer. And then I've put my nice spice mix together there. No packets today. I've got a tablespoon of smoked paprika there. You can have a bit less, or you could use a normal paprika, sweet paprika, if you don't like things so hot. I've added half a teaspoon of cumin and also a teaspoon of coriander. That makes that quite nice. And I've added some onion granules. You can add some garlic granules or a crushed garlic, clove, and just mix that up and we'll have that ready. Right, so once your pan is nice and hot, you want it on quite a high heat for this. Get rid of some of the juices as it's cooking. Pop a tablespoon of oil in the pan. And if you're doing your chicken, you want to put your chicken slices in there first, quite thinly sliced, and cook that for sort of 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes, until the chicken's pretty much cooked through. And then you can add your other veg. So I'm just going to add my onion. And I've got 250 grams of chestnut mushrooms. I love them. You need quite a big pan. I've gone for something with a wide base to get rid of some of the liquid. Right, then you just want to sprinkle your mix over so everything gets a little bit. Right, and we'll keep cooking and stirring that for another 5-10 minutes until everything's softened down. While that's cooking, you can get your lime. I put a little bit of the zest in. My lime's a bit small. So you want to juice your lime and add the juice. And you want to get your oven on just to heat up your tortilla wraps. I'm doing wholemeal wraps, as with my beans that will complete the protein. As quite often vegan and vegetarian sources of protein are not whole proteins. So I've just popped that in a little foil packet. Seal up the edges so they don't dry out, and that can go in the oven just to keep warm. Right, then once your veg has reduced down and softened and your chicken's cooked, that's about ready. Or if, like me, you're adding beans, I'm adding a couple of tins. I'm doing 4 adult portions tonight, so we're quite hungry. These are just 2 very well drained tins of black beans. You can use kidney beans, pinto beans, whatever you've got you'd like. So I'm going to add those in, give them a stir around, and while that's warming, I'm going to get everything else ready. Right, then once it's all cooked, check your thickest bit of chicken, and then you'll know that that's all cooked. And your wraps are heated up. You can add those to your side bits. I've gone for a bit of salad, made a little bit of guacamole, some salsa, got Greek yogurt, but you can have sour cream, creme fraiche, and a little bit of cheese. And then that is all ready to go. Don't forget to season yours if you didn't season the spice mix, so a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And as always, we'd love to see how your recipe turns out. Let us know what you add. Are you a salsa fan? Did you do chicken? Or you could always do strips of beef if you like, and make something a little bit different. Let us know how it goes. So if you're going to email me any pictures, that's to RAEE, that's Ray E, at educationfuturestrust.org. That's Ray E at educationfuturestrust.org. Or if you've got one of our recipe cards, then the number's on the back and you can WhatsApp me the pictures or email those, text those over. So yeah, lovely. Enjoy your fajitas.